You know,
Absolutely.
markets keep looking at fiscal discipline. How important is that number?
The market is not even asking for reduction in taxation. Whatever needs to be done, market is not even asking for reduction in taxation. Whatever needs to be done has been done. Just continue the good work. That is what the market wants.
Markets, and that's great for the markets because...
Not even the STT? Not even the securities transaction tax?
You can ask him.
Yeah, I think STT again, we don't want a reduction. We just don't want it to increase.
They just want it. You see, listen to Madhusudan.
People in the stock market are now,
any tinkering.
we are paying so much taxes. We are paying STT. We are paying long term. We are paying short term taxation. We are paying dividend distribution taxation. We are paying buyback taxation. We are paying income tax. How much more tax can the government ask for from the stock market?
No. He's saying, listen, what he's saying is that everyone's got a smile there right now. Basically, what he's saying, Ajay, is, can you just let us alone? We are making money. You're making money. Be happy. Don't bring in any capital gains tax. We made a lot of money, Madhusudan. Now, come on, Madhusudan. What if someone says, Sushil, what if someone says that, listen, Sensex went up 35% since budget of 23. Yeah. Nifty went up 39% since budget of 23. Yes. Right? You made a lot of money. But what did middle class didn't make so much money? So what is, there's a little bit of, tinkering.
Because, Arnab, the difference is we believed in India, someone else
you
did not believe.
You think middle class doesn't believe in India?
You have to believe in the country to be able to make money in the stock market.
Now that's it. You've given me my debating point. Market participants are saying today, we don't want any change in long-term capital gains tax. Currently at 10% for holding shares for 1 year and 15% as short-term capital gains tax, which is less than 1 year. Madhusudan says, keep it the same. Don't break it.
Yeah.
You break the, pardon me? He's saying, don't change the flow.
Yeah, because what he's also saying is that there is enough money coming into the capital
He's not wrong.
in any case.
He's not wrong, but governments can get greedy. Governments can get greedy.
So they shouldn't increase it for sure. But there's no need to reduce it. There were people who were saying that they need to reduce it.
Sushil, what do you think, Sushil? You hearing Madhusudan there? Or are you busy trading?
See, Arnab, I will have to concur with Madhu here, not just because birds of the same flock, flock together. See, what he's emphasizing as far as I have understood is, we can also lose money and we can make money, and that does not change the requirement for any normal business people to have a realistic and rational system of taxation. So there are too many types of taxes, as if, while the Prime Minister has been perhaps one of the first leaders worldwide to emphasize that wealth creators are going to be respected in India, but that is yet to really reflect into reality. There are too many types of taxes we pay as if we are a burden by making money. So I concur with Madhu on this point that there is too much of different varieties of taxes we need to get to.
I'll ask Ajay. Ajay, what do you think? You all concur that keep it the same, capital markets? Don't touch it, what's not broken?
See, Arnab, what happens in the developed markets that you get a 3-year, 5-year window, that there is policy continuity. So too much tinkering of taxes destroys sentiment. That's the big thing. Second, your foreign investor is not paying any tax. They are covered by double taxation avoidance agreement. Your retail investor pays tax. Your Madhu Kela pays tax, Sushil Kedia pays tax. So you have a very uneven or non-level playing field as it is. So business models are based on forecasts of taxes. People have made business models. If you keep on tinkering with that, then it destroys sentiment. That's the big thing, but that's the view of the 1% or the 0.1% of the 1%. The big issue is middle class needs a tax break. That has not happened from 2014.
You can give that without introducing changes in the capital markets.
Yeah, there is no connection.
There
you
is-
have enough.
there is no connection between the two.
that is tax
It's not
law.
the point is
Madhu
it's
and
not
I
a
are
Robin
saying,
Hood
Arnab,
situation,
you have so much bulging in your pockets,
Madhu wants to
you
come
have
back.
so much money that a small giveaway can
Someone
be
can
done
come
for
on.
the middle
Madhu.
class without, there is
Someone
no
go to
connection in the two. The capital gains is a very small portion. Your STT is 36,000 crores. This year it will go to 60,000.
Got it.
It's a very decent tax. It's like Atal Bihari's 2 rupees on your petrol. Now we don't even remember that the cess is there. It just gets and roads get made of that. Now, same way STT is collected at source, put in the treasury, very neat, clean, no leakage. Everybody who trades in the market pays the STT. You're making 36,000 crores.
Madhu,
You tinker with the small capital gains, people will not book the capital gains. The markets will move off the books. You will have dabba trading happening. People will go to the local shop and start trading there instead of your markets will get
Madhu wanted
destabilized. That
Madhu
is the
wanted to
thing.
come back on